Samsung has been working on a new flagship Galaxy S24 lineup of smartphones for some time now. If you are believe the leak, the release of the Galaxy S24 will be take place earlier than usual. Thanks to IC Universe, it has been known when the manufacturer planning to show the device. The smartphone will be present on 18 January 2024. According to the rumors and the leaks, the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra will get an update look with the flat edges. And Samsung might be using two different chipsets, Exynos and Snapdragon in the Galaxy S24 series. Now, according to the new rumor, Qualcomm may be planning to launch two different variants of the next generation Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. The first one is the N4P based on 4nm version, and the second one could be TSMC's 3nm mode N3E. And all the information come from linking account and the pages. So Qualcomm going to make a custom processor for Galaxy S24 series. So that's pretty much for today's video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catch you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.